Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay bill with the PayPal app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Then here you can find the option of 3 straight lines. Go ahead and select it. Now here we can find the option of pay bills right here. Go ahead and select it. Now if you have to pay the bills from the PayPal app, the bills will appear in your payments option. And if you don't have it, simply it will look like this. And that's it. This is how you can pay bill with the PayPal app. It is a very simple and easy process, right? Now you can pay the bills using the PayPal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.